36 daily use sentence khasi to English. Tiếp Wanam kelat ban page step by step khnang ma phin yo ek ching mun toy. What are you doing? Khasi pidang le ayu. What are you doing now? Khasi pin le ayu munta kasngi. I'm not doing anything. Khasi ngam le a. Where are you going? Khasi shano pinle. I am going to Shillong. Khasi ngan le Shillong. What are you reading? Khasi pipule ayu. I'm reading book. Khasi nga pule kat. Have you finished your dinner? Khasi pila de bang. Not yet. Khasi badep. Are you hungry? Khasi pila tngan. Yes, I am hungry. Khasi haot nga la tngan. Why are you angry? Khasi balay pidam. No, I'm not angry. Khasi em nga klamdam. Have you finished your work? Khasi pila depkang. Will you go with me? Khasi phin le lang bat nga. Sorry, I'm busy right now. Khasi what's ngau a nga bun kamanta. Let me help you. Khasi ay ngin yarab yapi. At what time you used to wake up? Khasi kat no baje pi shakya thia. Where are you right now? Khasi pi don sheno menta. I'm at home. Khasi nga don hayin. Do you have money? Khasi pi don pisane em. No, I don't have money. Khasi em ngam don pisa. Don't worry about that. Khasi wat kuslai chapang kata. I have money. Khasi nga don pisa. Why are you asking? Khasi balay pikali. Because I want to know. Khasi na mar nga kwah abante. I thought it was mine. Khasi nga dang mot kate kachonga. This is not for you. Khasi kane kamde kachongpi. How do you feel? Khasi kumno pisngel. What do you think? Khasi ka ay piperkat. I am thinking of you. Khasi nga perkat yipi. Don't promise if you are happy. Khasi what kular ladipikmen. You will regret. Khasi pinsa babesa. Tomorrow is never come. Khasi kalashai come to one. Do it today. Khasi le menta hi kasni. Kane ko video watch kapakot wanam klad on page step by step nang ba pin yo ching man toy na kane ka video lada pikwa on tip on kren phareng suki pa suki tang ba wanam klad ro ban like ban share ban subscribe ya kane ka channel kanang ba pin yo ya ka video ka ba thamai